Hello and welcome to SAS Junior Maths. Today we're going to be looking at division of directed numbers. So it's just like multiplication. If you want to know how to divide well or using directed numbers, you need to also understand the laws of sign for division. So let's quickly look at the laws of sign for division. So it's just like the sign for division is exactly like that of multiplication. That is, minus divided by minus equals plus, plus divided by plus equals plus, plus divided by minus equals minus, and minus divided by plus equals minus. Now, if you look at these signs, you will realize that it is exactly like that of multiplication. So if you look at this now, two signs that are identical, when you are trying to divide two signs, or when you're trying to divide numbers that has two signs, or that have two signs that are identical, the result is always positive. For example, minus divided by minus is plus, plus divided by plus is plus, then plus divided by minus is minus, and minus divided by plus is minus. Please, I want you to have a quick grasp of this and let this sink in into our memories, so that when we are trying to divide using directed numbers, it will be so easy for us to carry out. And let's not forget that signs that are identical, the result is always positive, and signs that are not identical, like this plus divided by minus is going to give us minus, minus divided by plus will also give us minus. So signs that are not identical will always give us a negative result. Signs that are identical will give us a positive result. Please, let's not forget that. So now let's quickly look at the questions here. The first question says minus 12 divided by, minus 12 divided by plus 3. So how do we solve this? The first thing we should take care of is the sign. I know that minus divided by plus will give me minus. So I can write minus. Then 3 in 12 is what? 4. And my answer is minus 4. It's as simple as that. Then number 2, plus 63 divided by minus 9. I know for sure that plus divided by minus will also give me what? Minus. Once I'm done with the sign, then I will take care of the numbers separately. Then I will say 63 divided by 9, and that is what? 7. So my answer at the end of the day will give me what? Minus 7. Let me repeat this. Make sure you what? You work on the signs first. Plus divided by minus is minus, and 9 goes in 63 is what? 7. That it goes 7 times. So that's how we have minus 7 as our answer. So let's look at number 3. Number 3 is minus 66 divided by minus 33. First thing first, minus divided by minus is what? Plus. And 33 goes in 66 is what? That is 2 times. So that is why we have plus 2 as our final answer. And the last but not the least, plus 40 divided by plus 5. I know quite well that plus divided by plus is plus, and 5 here 1, 5 in 40, 8. So I will have 8 as my final answer. So here 1 and here is 2. That's why we have plus 2 as our final answer. And here 1, here 7. That's why we have what? Minus 7 as our final answer. Let's not forget, now plus divided by minus is minus. 9 goes in 63, 7. Minus divided by minus is plus. 33 goes in 66, 2. Then plus divided by plus is plus. Then 5 in 48. Likewise, this plus minus divided by plus is minus, and 3 in 12 is 4. That is why we have minus 4 as our answer. Let me put it here as our answer. Hope you understand this, and please like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you.